The Supplier Documents Report gives you a complete view of all your purchase invoices and supplier credits, including both assigned and unassigned documents. Let's take a look at how it works. First, click the Reports button in the top right of Fergus, then select Supplier Documents Report. You can filter the report using the buttons at the top left, view documents for a specific supplier using the drop-down, set a date range to narrow down results, and filter invoices based on whether they've synced to your accounting software or not. You can also use the search bar to find specific details quickly and download the report as a CSV file for further analysis. In the report, you'll see whether a document is an invoice or a credit, if it's been approved or ignored, the invoice date, supplier name, reference number, and cost. You'll also see whether the document is assigned to a job or still unassigned. If a document is already assigned to a job, you can click the button to go straight to that job card. Got unassigned documents? No problem. You can assign them directly from this screen, just like on the Supplier Docs page. You'll also see how many items are on each document. Clicking on this will expand the details so you can check the invoice line by line. If you're connected to an accounting package, you'll notice a small symbol next to each document. If you see a red X on the symbol, this means something went wrong. Hover over the icon to see the error details. If there is no symbol, but you are connected to an accounting package, the document wasn't synced, usually because you chose to just assign it to a job without sending it to your accounting package. On the far right of each row, you'll see the ellipses button. This gives you extra options. For assigned invoices, edit the invoice or send it to your accounting package. For unassigned invoices, edit, split, send to the accounting package, or ignore the invoice. If the original file was uploaded to Fergus, you have the option to download it from here again as well. And that's it! With the Supplier Documents Report, you can keep all your invoices and credits organised in one place, so nothing slips through the cracks.